This is near and far. This is near and far. This is near and far. Safety moment.
Hey, I'm Mark Near,
And I'm Daniel Farr.
and this is a near and far safety moment.
Today, Mark, we're going to look at fire extinguishers. And with all that's going on right now in BC and all over Canada, fire extinguishers are pretty important.
Yes.
First thing you want to know is what your gauge is set at. Now, for these things to go good and go fast, you want it to be in the red all the time.
I don't think so, Dan. Pretty sure you want it to be in the green so you know it's fully charged. If it's in the red, it's not even going to work.
Well, let's agree to disagree then, Mark. Also, you want to make sure that your pin's out and that the rack is open so you can just grab it right away and run to that fire and fight it. Fight it, Mark.
Again, Dan, you're totally wrong in this situation. We're driving over rough, rocky terrain. We want to make sure that it's locked in place with the pin so this extinguisher is not bumping all over the back of your pickup truck. Also, you want the pin in place because you might end up making a discharge and spray all over the place.
Well, you have an interesting opinion, and I guess we can agree to disagree.
No.
So now we want to take a look at actually fighting the fire, Mark.
Mm-hmm.
That's a pretty important step in this whole process. Now I've been told, and from good sources, that when fighting the fire, you want to come out and you want to spray this above the fire and make it rain down. See, where I'm from in BC, they're waiting for rain because rain will ultimately fight the fire.
Not even close, Dan. Let me see that for a second here. We got to make sure people know how to use one of these things properly, because we don't want Dan's running around just spraying a fire hose in the air. First, you're going to want to pull the pin. Once the pin's pulled, then you want to aim where you want to put out the fire, and you want to aim right at the base of that fire. You want to squeeze that handle, and then you want to sweep it back and forth until you drain this fire extinguisher and the fire's out. If fire's not out, go get some help.
Well, I think also you could take the whole extinguisher and throw it at the fire, and then when it explodes and combusts, then again it'll create the rain mist that'll come down and ultimately put out the fire.
I don't think I can explain this to you, Dan.
I'm Daniel Farr.
And I'm Mark Near.